We are often asked whether someone needs an estate plan if they only have a modest estate. Perhaps they don't own many assets at this point in their lives. And the answer is just about anyone over age 18 is going to need some type of planning. For example, each summer we do a lot of plans for our young adults who are heading off to college, not because they own assets, but because in the eyes of the law, they are technically legal adults. And so if something happens to them, we need documents in place in order for someone to be able to make medical decisions on their behalf, as well as handle their legal and financial matters. Additionally, even if you think your estate is relatively modest, it could mean that if something happened to you, your loved ones would have to deal with a lengthy and expensive probate process in order to access your assets after you have passed. So you may have an estate that's actually sizable, several $1,000,000, for example, but depending on the nature of the assets, if they're set up so that they can avoid probate through something like a beneficiary designation, that estate might not need a trust, whereas someone with a more modest estate, perhaps they own a home and not much else, they may need a trust to avoid probate because real estate is an asset that typically can't otherwise be structured to avoid probate. The good news is you don't have to try to figure this out on your own. We're here to help and walk through with you what plan is best for your needs.